Guys, so today we are going to be doing a water fireworks science experiment. But before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, and share this video with your friends. Now let's get started. So for this experiment, you need a conical flask, a stirring stick, a measuring cylinder, and some food coloring. So step 1 of this experiment is to fill 3/4 of the conical flask with water. So let's do that. Guys, now we're gonna fill the conical flask. Let's add this funnel just to be safe. Okay, looks like we need some more water. I filled the conical flask. Let's go to step 2, which is to fill half of the measuring cylinder with cooking oil or baby oil. Guys, so now we need to add 2 drops of blue and 2 drops of red. So 1 drop of blue and then another drop of blue. Now let's do red. Oh wait, I already put 2 drops. Okay, now we need to stir it with the stirring stick. Guys, now time for our final step, which is to put it into the conical flask with the water and let's see what happens. Okay, so let's see, where are these water fireworks? Oh, there's a tiny one right here. Okay, let's find some more. Okay, that one's getting bigger. Wait, is it? Yeah, it is. Okay, guys, we're seeing more now. See? Whoa, this is so cool. Okay guys, that's it for today's video, and I hope you like these cool water fireworks. Please stay tuned for my new videos that are coming up soon. Bye! Okay, so 2 drops. Oh no, one fell out. 1, oh no!